Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper. This is not just a vehicle. It's a rolling fortress mixed with luxury, power, and total off-grid freedom. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world in ultimate security and style, this machine is about to blow your mind. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper looks like it came straight out of a high-end military convoy. Bold, aggressive, and unstoppable. The extended 6x6 chassis gives it a massive stance, while reinforced armored body panels add both protection and presence. You get heavy-duty off-road bumpers, a rugged skid plate system, and massive all-terrain tires designed to dominate deserts, mountains, snow, and mud. The LED light bars, tactical roof rack, and optional satellite antenna make it clear this camper is built for extreme adventures. Every line, every angle, and every detail screams durability, dominance, and elite engineering. Now let's step inside, because this is where rugged meets refined. The interior of the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper feels more like a luxury penthouse than a survival vehicle. Premium leather seating, custom wood or carbon fiber accents, and ambient LED lighting create a modern and inviting atmosphere. The living area includes a convertible lounge, a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and storage cabinets, plus a compact dining space. Under the hood, this beast packs serious muscle. Powering the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper is a high-output turbocharged V8 engine, engineered for extreme towing, heavy payloads, and off-road dominance. Paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 6x6 all-wheel drive system, this machine delivers unstoppable traction and control. Heavy-duty suspension, reinforced axles, and locking differentials ensure it can conquer steep inclines, deep sand, rocky terrain, and harsh weather with confidence. This is not just transportation. It's a powerhouse built to survive and thrive in the toughest conditions. Now let's talk about the price, because elite machines come at an elite cost. The 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper is expected to start around $350,000 and can climb beyond $500,000 depending on customization, armor level, interior luxury upgrades, and off-grid tech options. While that may sound extreme, you're paying for a fully armored, off-road capable, luxury mobile home that offers security, independence, and unmatched performance. Safety is where this camper truly sets itself apart. The armored shell provides ballistic protection against small arms fire, reinforced glass resists shattering, and the underbody armor shields critical components. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, night vision, and off-road terrain mapping. There's also a fire suppression system, emergency power backup, and satellite communication for remote areas. This is a vehicle designed to protect you, your family, and your journey at all costs. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper is not just a camper. It's a luxury bunker on wheels. It blends brutal strength, cutting-edge technology, top-tier comfort, and elite security into one unforgettable package. Whether you're exploring extreme landscapes, traveling off-grid, or simply want the ultimate statement vehicle, this machine delivers beyond expectations. And that wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most insane campers ever built, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling us what you think about the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armoured Camper. Until next time, drive bold, travel free, and stay unstoppable.